Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Digitally. I am Mazhar Ali and in today's video we are going to explore an important and timely topic, AI for education. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into our classrooms, understanding its ethical implication is crucial for both teachers and students. In this video, we will dive into how AI can impact student learning and teacher practices and discuss the potential for bias, fairness, and privacy concerns when using AI tools in education. Before we get started, make sure to check out the links to our previous lectures and practical sessions in the description box below. These resources will provide a solid foundation and enhance your understanding of today's content. If you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can never miss an update from Learning Digitally YouTube channel. Let's get started on our journey into the ethical consideration of using AI in education. AI can have a significant impact on student learning and teacher practices, so it is important to consider the ethical implications of its use. Teachers should consider the potential for bias, fairness, and privacy concerns when using AI in the classroom. So the important elements are risk of bias. AI might unintentionally reinforce societal biases, such as those related to race or gender. It's crucial for educators to be aware of this when using AI tools. Number two, fairness issues. AI tools like automated grading systems might not always consider the full context of a student's work, leading to potentially unfair outcomes. Number three, privacy matters. AI tools need data to work, and that data often comes from the students themselves. So it's important to ensure that student privacy and data security are respected when using these tools. Number four, openness and accountability. It's important for teachers to be open about how they are using AI in the classroom. Students should understand how these tools are helping them learn and potentially assess their work. And number five, student involvement. When it comes to using AI in the classroom, students should have a say. We suggest asking for their feedback on how these tools are used and how they can be improved to better support their learning. Addressing ethical concerns. As AI becomes increasingly present in our lives, it is important to consider the potential for bias and unfairness in AI use and work to mitigate these concerns. Here are some tips for addressing and working to mitigate these concerns. Number one, choose AI tools and applications carefully. You have to ensure that AI tools and applications are designed and used in a way that is fair and unbiased. For example, if an AI tool has expert chatbots, but all the avatars are of one gender or ethnicity, this would be a sign that the tool is biased. So you have to check either avatars are of both genders or single gender. If AI tool shows only single gender, means there's a gender bias. Number two, train students on identifying and mitigating bias. This may involve providing resources and training on how to recognize bias in AI generated content. Students can provide feedback to you and also the makers of the tool itself. And number three, monitor AI use in the classroom. Make sure that AI in the classroom is being used in a fair and unbiased way. We suggest testing any tool that you are planning to use in the classroom to verify the quality and accuracy of the responses. Number four, solicit feedback from students and parents. Communicate with the students and parents about their experiences with the AI use in the classroom. Use this feedback to make any necessary adjustments to guarantee that AI is being used in a fair and unbiased way. Now, develop policies to use AI in the classroom. As AI becomes increasingly present in our lives, it is important for educators to develop policies around AI use in the classroom. These policies should prioritize transparency, accountability, and student privacy, and address concerns around bias and fairness in AI use. We suggest working with the school leaders or college leaders or university leaders to create a school or college or university wide approach. Here are some tips for developing policies around AI use in the classroom. Number one, identify stakeholders. Ensure that all stakeholders have a voice in the policy development process. This includes school administrators or college administrators, teachers, parents, and students. These all stakeholders should be on one page. Number two, define the scope of AI use. Determine the types of artificial intelligence tools and applications that will be used in the classroom and the learning objectives they will support. Number three, prioritize transparency and accountability. Make sure that students and patrons are informed about the use of AI in the classroom and the teachers are accountable for the use of AI tools and applications. Number four, address concerns around bias and fairness. Verify that AI tools and applications are designed and used in a fair and unbiased way. This may involve training teachers and students on how to identify and mitigate bias in AI generated content. And number five, prioritize student privacy. Establish that AI tools and applications are designed and used in a way that protects student data and privacy. This may involve developing policies around data collection, storage, and sharing. And number six, review and revise policies regularly. Confirm that policies around AI use in the classroom remain relevant and effective through regular review. This may involve soliciting feedback from stakeholders and making adjustments based on their input. I used to discuss separate three things in every session. So, in this session, these three things are: review your school's policies and guidelines around AI use in the classroom. If you do not have a policy, start a conversation with your administrators to get started building one. Number two, test out ChatGPT and other tools for bias by asking it leading questions. Number three, create a mechanism for students to report bias in their use of AI tools so that the feedback can be shared with the tools developers. Our next lecture of the course Artificial Intelligence for Education will be on how to introduce AI to students. This will be also a very significant session on the usage of AI for students. So as we wrap up today's training on AI for education, it's clear that the ethical implications of AI in the classroom are significant and multifaceted, from addressing potential biases and fairness issues to ensuring students' privacy and involving students in the conversation. There are many factors educators need to consider when integrating AI tools into their teaching practices. Remember, the goal is to use AI to enhance learning while maintaining a fair, transparent, and secure environment for all students. By carefully selecting AI tools, providing training on identifying and mitigating bias, and developing comprehensive policies, we can harness the power of AI in a way that benefits everyone. So, thank you for joining us in this important session. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and share it with your fellow educators, friends, and students. Don't forget to check out the links to our previous lectures and practical sessions in the description box for more in-depth information. If you are new to learning digitally, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. Take care, stay blessed.